Just to introduce you to this topic, what makes game a game? Chris Crawford, who is an authority on game and particularly on digital games, has given some very interesting definitions. He mentioned that creative expression is art if made for its own beauty, but entertainment if it is made for money. From there, he gradually goes towards game. A piece of entertainment is a plaything if it is interactive. So movies and books are pieces of entertainment which are not interactive. So you separate movies and books from playthings. If no goals are associated with playthings, then it's a toy. So you could say within plaything there is a subcategory called toy, which could be interactive but do not have a specific goal. Then it becomes a toy, and it could also become a puzzle if necessary. But if a goal has a plaything which is having a challenge, then it qualifies to be a game. So challenge is an important aspect of it. One of the goals that you should have is a challenge. Whether it's based on thinking, skill or knowledge or whatever it is, that challenge. And unless you build a challenge, it doesn't become a game. Another, if it is a challenge with no active agent against whom you compete, then it's a puzzle. Which means that you need an active agent against whom you compete. Then only it becomes a game. And that's its way to separate puzzles from games. And finally, if a player can only outperform the opponent by direct attack, then it qualifies to be a game. If the attack does not interfere with the performance, then it's a competition. That means any attack that interferes with the performance of B is an essential condition for game. If it doesn't, then it's a race, where everybody is going separately. Okay? So it's a competition. And he suggested two kinds of competition. One is racing, where you go independently and first past post wins. Or other one is subjective judgment, which is based on sort of figure skating or beauty contest and all that, which is based on subjective rating, where every juror rates something and then you put it together. So entertainment is made for money, which is interactive plaything. Else it could become a movie or a book with goals. That is very important. So it's entertainment made for money, which is interactive plaything with goals, which is a challenge. The goal has to be a challenge with an active agent in conflict. Else it could be a puzzle. And last one is the attack interferes and outperforms. These are minimum conditions, according to him, to qualify everything as a game. Otherwise, it's art or it's puzzle or it's any other plaything.